know what I'm saying? Stop making you wanna move. Hey, Watsonville, stand up. Hometown, stand up. Let's get it. Yeah, yeah. I saw the face on the left side. Know that that's my best side. Step into that west side phone. Watsonville, dreaming. California living. Everybody from the 831. Better know I got the hook, baby. What you gonna do? Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. See how they whipping that Chevy Impala speaker souped up. Cause you know when they rollin', they gotta flex a little for the hometown love. Sliding through the field, what it do, what it does.
Good morning. Yeah. Look at this lighting, y'all. But he's gonna be still in a meeting now. Cookies. It's good, no? The potatoes. Oof. Okay. Little jean moment, little crop jean moment. Okay, so far my experience has been really good. I tried to get money from the ATM machine because I don't have any Canadian currency. And then the ATM machine was blocked off and for some reason I couldn't withdraw money. So then I went into the actual bank and this lovely gentleman showed me the way into this like ATM and was recommending me which machine to use because one of them is a bit more finicky than the other one. And then he also helped me get to the train station I need to go to see my friend and was like giving me instructions and directions and got to where my friend lives and it's kind of intense. These cars are so fucking close to me, like that. Yeah. Vapor in the face. Vapor in the fucking face. Leaving my friends. It just laid an egg? Freaking hailing. Okay, go for it. Morning. So, despite the weather being semi-glorious today, I mean, I don't know, is it? It kind of is, I guess. We have a pretty exciting itinerary. We're gonna go thrifting. Well, I'm gonna go thrifting. It's gonna be exciting. Wow.
Pop up on the scene to give the Central Coast some love. To give the Central Coast some buzz. Too smooth with it, baby, can't nobody tell me nothing. What you know about the Berry City? Show some love. Had to get it one time, extra bounce with the fun. Yeah, you know we finna slide out, take me to the front. Whole city going crazy, baby, that's just what it was. Yeah, you already know what it is, baby. That's AC1 in the building. That's Watsonville, California. That's Santa Cruz, California. Salinas, Monterey, Seaside, Marina. You already know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Nice on the left side, know that that's my best side. Step into that west side funk. Watsonville dreaming, California living. Everybody from the 831. Better know I got the funk, baby. What you gonna do? One time. Better know I got the funk, baby. What you gonna do? Hey, slow. From the left to the right, got the hands in the oxygen. I'ma give them what they like. It's a party, baby. West side funk all night. Getting busy, feeling dizzy. Lead a glizzy on tonight. Let's roll. Do it for the middle, Cali coast too high. Baby, reppin' my city. I do the most big dogs. All up in the back with the Cholo stance. We big stepping, baby. Watch me do this dance. Hey, face on the left side. Know that that's my best side. Step into that west side funk. Watsonville dreaming, California living. Everybody from the 831. Better know I got the funk, baby. What you gonna do? Shout out Castle.
Sun is out. Makes me very happy. She really looks like a wolf. So pretty. Beautiful. How mossy. It's on a table. Oh my gosh!
Okay.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's actually super warm.
Yeah, they heat
It's
the
like-
plates, I think.
Yeah. They kept it in like there's a special structure. It's basically so thick.
It was super different. Sure. Sure I can. Today we're gonna do something I've been putting off for a long time. Vancouver weather. Made it. We made it. Hi. Yep. Let's go. Okay, we're going out. We're featuring the same jacket. Food! Is the bugs gonna be in it? Bugs. There's a massive line. But we can also eat what we ordered and go and eat something else, huh? Okay, we're going to this bakery in a mo, but we're gonna go hunt down a little sushi shop. So I want to figure it out. Okay, lunch wasn't very satisfying. I can only buy sunglass things, but we're gonna go get a little pick me up now. Gonna find a spot to eat this. Okay, oh my god, you guys cannot understand how excited I am for this. We finished it, it was so good. Little booger stone, little booger stone. Little islands. We got.
Yeah, I was gonna say, like, isn't it better? Like $60 or whatever with leftovers. This is good with tables. Right, if you don't just
choco? Okay. Just finished this scanning this book. Skin. Okay, we made it. We're at the airport. Airport. We didn't get to go. I mean, we went back to Angus Tea on the way from the spa, but we didn't get anything because it was completely sold out because they're so freaking popular. I'm so happy for them, but also sad for me because who knows when else I'm gonna get such amazing patisseries. But now we're gonna go do a little bit of duty-free shopping and then eat and then catch our flight and then leave Vancouver.
Hometown stand up. Let's get it. Yeah, yeah.
Fries crispy.